I'll let Josh help you. I don't want to feel
Getting her all
up.
strapped in here.
I don't want to feel you all up.
He's not trying to reach for your crotch, but he wants you to be safe.
Better to be safe than sorry.
Goes in the middle.
This one go there? And then does this one go like this?
Yep. Slide right over it, and then the latch goes on.
Am I skinny enough for this thing?
You can adjust them. I can't.
I'll suck it.
If you can pull sharp. There you go. It's like having sex. You get in the hole.
And then twist it up.
Maybe spit on it.
Ah, come on.
Almost. There you go.
There you go.
Now you got it.
Click.
Yeah, it's got to click down in. There you go. Now you pull straps on both sides.
Now pull that.
All right, now you're ready to get calmed up.
Now he said something about if y'all roll over, you'll have a particular job to do, but other than that, I don't know.
Here, let's tighten this on her head. Gotta tighten that up.
Hold on.
All right, I love you. Door up.
You want this inside, or you want to latch it?
I got it.
No way.
There we go. You see me on there?
Is it rolling?
All right, should be rolling.
All right, so
I see red flashing light.
right here.
You're good. It's race time. I love you, babe.
Hold on. We got that.
I love you too, Prov.
Go, 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 go!
It's race time, fans. There she goes. We will see the footage later. I guess we could have chased them through the desert. But we'll see the footage on the GoPro. So you saw as Jesse and Providence came over the hill, there was a side-by-side that had been laid over. This had just happened right before they came over the hill, and they were the first to arrive at the scene. Now, they were both very anxious to get out and help, but first, of course, they had to get their harnesses off. Once they got their harnesses off, of course, it becomes first things first. You want to check on anybody that's in the vehicle and make sure that there are absolutely no injuries. Luckily, no one was injured. The owner of the side-by-side was actually riding passenger, and his friend was the one that was driving. They were both pretty shaken up, of course, and the driver kept apologizing about wrecking his friend's side-by-side. His friend just continued to tell him that it was okay. He just wanted to make sure that nobody was injured, and things can be fixed, people cannot. You can see here laying across Jesse's hood is his winch line, and as you'll find out in the race day video coming soon, it was broken and could not be used. We're going to speed the video up just a little bit here. You can see that he gets his tow strap to wrap around the side-by-side, hooks it to his front bumper so they can get this thing back on all four wheels.
You just won the race, ma'am. How do you feel?
I think I'm going to go to Disney.
You're going to go to Disney?
Yeah.
Well, who would you like to thank for this wonderful experience?
My mom. I'd like to thank my husband and all my sponsors. Hang on, let me look at it.
Warren, Nitto Tire. Yeah.
I'd like to thank Dear Baby Jesus and Police Diapers. I also like to thank Fake Units for breakfast. They're mighty tasty. Unfortunately, we don't have windshields on these 10 cars. Otherwise,
Put just Fig Newtons over the windshield.
they are delicious.
Well, congratulations, guys, for being the winners. Thank y'all so much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to find out more about Rock Solid Rig, make sure you check the description down below, where you can find a link to our website where we provide you with where to find our merch, such as decals, shirts, and so much more. Until next time, y'all just keep on Jeepin'.